Again, let's get started. Here are the materials that we're going to use. The cutter, the plastic cover, the ruler, the cardboard. Use cardboard, so you can use it as recycle. And styrofoam, remote control, and scotch tape. Okay, let's begin. You have to cut it here. And here. Okay, here we go. Then you have to check with this one. There should be a divider like this. Okay, and then like this. Okay, so we have to make two of these. Now we have two, one more. Now we have three. And then what we're going to do is we will stick with the glue like this and like that. Like this, and like this, and then like this. Okay, cut.